Welcome guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how you can change your Windows 11 password. Okay, so right now we have to open the settings. So there it is. And the second step is to go for accounts. You will find them right here on the left side. And as you can see, when you are here, we have to be logged in with our account, with our Microsoft account. That's my mail, that's my name of the account, and I'm admin of this account. That's very obvious, as you can see. So another step, we have to go for the sign-in options in this place. And here we can like set the PIN, security key, or the password. So let's go with the password at the first. And when we make it, we have to click to add at the first if you don't have the password. And right now that's the new password, so I'm gonna type like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We can, when we click here, we can make it visible, as you can see. So let's confirm. Okay, it just comes out of the frame, and the password hint, so we can get 7654321. Click next, and there it is. As you can see, next time we sign in, we have to use this password. So click finish, and there it is. And as you can see, when you create the password, we'll be also able to change it. So just take a look. When you open this option with account link to your, with password link to your account, click here. It's information that we are all set, and that's the change. So when you click on it, as you can see, you can just change the current password. So we have to give the current password, click and confirm, enter, and that's the new password. So we can just change it and then just follow each step that I show you. So yeah, that's all for this video, and if you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.